Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Solihull. I've been asked to have a look at this white plant tank system. It's got a Vaillant Ecotech boiler on it. So they've got no heating and hot water. So we're going to diagnose this and we're going to repair this, and I'll be sharing that with you in this video. And if you enjoy the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I guess there's the fault. There's the problem. No power, nothing, just dead. So I'll try resetting it. It didn't work. I'm just going to bypass it and give them some hot water heating, one or the other. Okay, do me a favour. Can you switch the power on for me? Yeah, from the fuse box. So guys, what's happening to this one? This is faulty. When I come here, it was just constantly on. Right. So what this lady wants is, she wants hot water at least. Central heating is under priority right now. So she wants hot water, minimum. So what I'm going to do is, right, I'm going to bypass this. I'll put the central heating on constant. No, hot water in constant. And then what we'll do is, right, come back on a later date. Unfortunately, this was blown and the diverter was faulty. So I bypassed it, bypassed the central heating, and it still wouldn't come on. I did check the room stat, that was okay. Yesterday I tested it, that was alright. And I checked the voltage coming back, so that was working fine. So what she wants is a hot water. So I'm going to bypass that. Don't worry, the power downstairs is off. Fuse taken out, all safety precautions taken, I think. Only kidding. No, so it's not a funny joke, I know. My God, what an idiot. So let's just put this on to cover it up. But I have bypassed it, can you see? So the hot water is being bypassed now. This one we're changing. This is the ground flush. Oh, remember, there's no display on this and it's not working at all, so we're going to change that. Yeah, this and the back panel looks the same on them, exactly the same. So we're gonna, I think the wiring is the same as well, so we don't have to do much work. We're going to change it to a Drayton. Yeah. When I put that in, we'll have a look at that. Okay, and the problem I've got is this tablet facing the other way towards the wall. I will need to change the head on it, so that's going to be a mission, isn't it? but we're gonna have to get it done. If you can't try, I'm gonna have to change the whole valve, I suppose. Something I don't want to do, drain it all down. And when you know what it is like, these draining them down and they never go, then you got leaks everywhere. So I'll do that. I got the diverter out from there, a bit awkward to take out. That's the diverter. And what we're going to do is, we're going to change this. We're changing the synchronized motor on it. Okay. It's easy, man. It's so easy. Bullshit. I'll get a clue on you. Right, okay, to get to...
What was it?
Good numbers, if you want. Right, to get to that...
Screw it.
Yeah, this is different one. One clips in, this one screws in. So it's one screw. It's been about 5-6 years since I've done this. Okay, listen, when you come around here, even if I drop the screw, I don't mind. I got spare ones there. Right, so what we're doing, right, that, this one, yeah, it's riveted in, so I'll take that out. So that screws in. So that goes. It's not going out.
Stuck there somewhere. So, earth there.
It's stuck in. No, it's not.
Okay.
There you go, that's out here. And where does this come from?
Pushing through here.
So then are yellow, these are blue. Wonder if it's still right. You give that. Sure. We got it in, slid in from that side. We're just gonna put the screw in, and its cogs are gone in as well. So let's put the light on. Right, it's been about, I'm sure it's been about 7-8 years since I changed this. I normally just change the head on them. So let's have a look. Okay, so what we're doing now is, and remember this one is this one. So what you do is, right, you curl that up. You curl that up, get that. Then, yep, there you go, hold, how much is it? See, I'm gonna use that. Yeah, and then you just crimp it up. Can you do me a favor? Pump pliers. This will cut it, that's the problem. Pump pliers, we just use them. We use them, and then we just squeeze that in. Pump pliers. There you go. Okay, that's done. And then the second one is this one. And there you go. Okay, that's done for now. Yeah. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to loop the hot water. So give them some hot water. I'm going to put that back to number 3 where I took it out from. Put the black one back into its position there. Now I'm going to put a new one in, and I'm hoping it will fit. If it doesn't, we're going to have to put another plate on. Right guys, the new Drayton's on. Danfoss is out. Don't think I need to do any wiring. We're going to test it. We'll see what's happening anyway. I've got the diverter valve anyway. I'm not going to put that on until I see everything's working okay. So I'm going downstairs to put the power on. So guys, that much. I'm just going to set it into the place. Yeah, sorry, this here. And you just get a screwdriver to get in. So that's better. So
You want to tighten that back up?
which one? Oh yeah.
Right.
Where's it gone? Is this one, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's it. Just gonna switch the power on and test it out. So guys, so I'm got the hot water on now, yeah? This is the pipe, I need hot. The pump's activated. The diverter valve's turning, and that's going to the tank, yeah? So yeah, that's hotting up. That's hotting up, so that's working. So we're gonna switch that off. Now I want that's off. It's gone off as well, yeah? Now I want the heating on. The room start is on. So the room starts on full anyway, so right, so the lights on. That means the boiler should fire up in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, this is fired up. Right, now I want this pipe to start heating up. That's going to the radiators now. Yeah. No, I don't. Excuse me, my mistake. Right, I want that pipe at the back heating up. Right, that's this one here. Right. So that pipe there, right at the back. This one. Let's wait for the hot water to come through. And it's warming up, yeah. Yeah, it's warming up. So that's working fine now. I'm gonna put everything safe. Put that safely in, and that's it, we're gonna be out of here. Right guys, after 5 minutes with the heating on, that's burning hot, that's working fine, and the pipe going to radiators is hot as well. So I'm just gonna go downstairs and check the radiators out. So 1 second. Guys, the boiler's fired up, it's all working, it's at 60 Celsius now, yeah? So it's all working. Okay, let me just put the light on here. Guys, it's all working fine now. So, till next time, Birmingham boiler fix. Guys, I just done that tank system white plant on a Vaillant boiler. The thing is, right, when I came here, nothing was coming out, no heating or hot water. So the first thing was that the program had no display on it and the red lights were just on. So I couldn't do nothing with that. So basically I had to change that. I knew I had to change that. So before I changed it, I just wanted to loop it and just see if the hot water works or the central heating. I looped it, and for central heating it wasn't working. They would have fired up, but I couldn't hear the diverter valve turning. So anyway, I got a 3-port diverter valve head. The motor, sorry. Got the motor. It was a guess actually, this one was. Because it was such an awkward place, I thought I'd just take it with me, get the programmer sorted first, and then we'll move on from that. And I had a hunch that it's going to be a diverter valve. divert valve. So I changed the motor and synchronized motor. It still didn't work, but luckily I had a head with me as well. So I changed the head on it and it started working. It's all working fine now. So the timer and the 3-port valve head was changed on there. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, all the best.